What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Money Moves with K. I am K, and today we're going to be talking about where I found a hidden website that sells foreclosed mobile homes and land is included. In addition to that, what's very cool about this particular website is they do offer finances. So in the event that you're in the market for a mobile home or a home in general, you want some land included in that purchase price, right? In that sale, this may be the website for you. Let's get it started. All right. So the website that I'm talking about is vmfhomes.com. Once again, vmfhomes.com. If you say, K, what is it again? It's right here. All right. So you just put that in there, .com. So once you get to the website, the actual homepage of the website, you will go over and make sure you stick around to the very end of the video. I will walk you step by step how to find how land is included, because on this particular website, there's the mobile homes that are sold by themselves, and there's also mobile homes with land included. And I'll show you the filters that I'm using so that you can do this at home as well. Okay. So once you get to the home page of this website, you go to state inventory. Once you click state inventory, it will pull this up, right? So these are the particular homes that are available by state. So Alabama all the way to West Virginia, right? As you see these numbers, it says 70, this says 33, 2, and it continues. That tells you how many homes are in that particular state. So Alabama has 70, right? 70 mobile homes that are available, right? This website has repossessed homes and also foreclosed homes. Okay, so keep that in mind. And as I said earlier, you do have to filter out in order to find mobile homes that are sold with land. So let's get started. Walk with me step by step on how in the world do you find these properties? What filters am I using? Okay, let's just start with Alabama. I like to use Alabama because I know there are pretty good deals in Alabama, and it actually has a lot of homes currently, 70 at the time of this recording, on this website. I could choose North Carolina, Oklahoma, Texas has 151. So, Kentucky, whatever. I'm just choosing Alabama as number one or the first on the list. So I'll kind of go there. Now, this will pull up. Now it has a ton of listing prices here, but here is the secret sauce, right? So here is where you're going to go in order to find a specific home that you're interested in that includes land. So let me see. I don't include any of these things right here. So it says any price, beds, baths, property type. Don't worry about that right now. Go to filters. And what you're going to do, if you have a max price, you can put that in, of course. I'll leave it blank because I want to see everything. And I'll add another filter onto this to show you how in the world to filter out, prices, right? So bedrooms, I leave blank right now. Property type blank. All right, here. It says property type. So it says any home only, land and home. What you're going to do is click land and home if you're interested in purchasing a mobile home with land included. Okay. Sections, if that's a particular interest of yours, you can click that, but I don't. Wind zone is very important depending on where you are located. That's very important. So you can click that too. But for me and how I'm searching, because I'm searching each and every state, keeping it simple, land and home, scroll down, financing. If you're interested in financing, you can click this. I'm going to click it just because I want to see what's available to us through financing. Okay. All right, now you click apply. Now this pulls up and you may say, Kay, there's only 17 results. Well, yeah, there is. There's 17 results. And I wanted to show you what I do in order to make the list a little better for me, okay? I like to look at the lowest price, all right? So you're going to click distance right here. It's like a little search bar. Distance right here, a filter. Price low to high. So click that. And it'll pull up from low to highest price what properties are available, okay? So and I wanted to show you this as well. Below the listing, you can see, or within the listing, you can see 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 840 square feet, 2.2 acres, okay? So it tells you the acreage. In the event that you see a mobile home that pulls up and you maybe accidentally didn't include land, you won't see the acreage right here. It'll say 0, which means that it's being sold by itself, okay? You may have land of your own. That may be your situation, and you don't want land, right? You just want the actual mobile home. And I've seen prices as low as $10,000 on here just for the mobile home. Again, this website sells foreclosed homes and repossessed homes. So keep that in mind at the deals that you may be able to get. Of course, that's subjective. Do your due diligence. This is the time in the video where I tell you to do your due diligence. It's your responsibility. All right. So moving on. So this is, let's click this property just because we want to click the property. So you have some pictures here. All right. And how I filtered the particular property, it has financing available. So you would click here if you wanted financing, and they never really have more details. But right here, you can click if you are interested in financing. You can bring your own financing from what I've read. You can bring your own financing from an outside lender or, bank, or you can use financing through VMF Homes. Okay, so keep that in mind. You have options here. You don't have to use them. You can use outside sources, but there are properties on this particular website that does just sell these properties cash, which is why they have distinguished land and home versus just the home. Okay. All right, let's try another state and see what's going on. So let's see. Let's try Oklahoma just to see what's popping in Oklahoma as an example. All right, we're going to go to filters, land and home, scroll down here for financing, push apply, see what happens. And then I'm going to filter low to high as far as the distance is concerned, or not distance, but low to high as far as the price is concerned. And you have a plethora of options here as well. In fact, there are 11. All right. To me, that's a plethora because where else can you find foreclosed mobile homes, right? Not too many websites actually sell foreclosed mobile homes. And this one actually looks pretty nice. But of course, I do see, you see this outline right here in red. I guess I'm curious, like, where is it located as far as like, is it mountainous? What is the terrain here? And that's very important to know how much of the acreage, which I forgot how many acres in this particular home, how much of the acreage can actually be used, right? And you may want a homestead or a farm, a mini farm, or whatever the case may be. Excuse the pictures, they're a little fuzzy on the website. This is not my computer. But I do like how this looks interior wise, right? This is a fairly nice home. And I'm not going to go, ooh, okay, his and hers sing. Okay. I like it. Okay. And if you want to apply for 2.9 acres, but looking at this picture, my question is, are all those 2.9 acres usable, right? Very important. You have financing you can apply here. This is $149,000. And a lot of you may be looking at this option as a way, especially in this economy, to save money, right? You're not spending an arm and leg for a $400,000 home, which is about the average in the United States right now. For purchasing a home is about $400,000 to $450,000 or so. And you want your payments to be lower so you can pay off your home a lot quicker and it can actually be yours. So in the event, let's go to another state. In the event that you find something that is even lower or cheaper than, now you see this is $69,000, but you don't see the acreage right here, which is what I was mentioning earlier, which means that this home is sold by itself, right? Although it's 151 results, I guarantee that once I filter out for land and home, it is going to dwindle down tremendously, right? But back to what I was saying, in the event that you say, hey, I don't want to spend an arm and a leg for a home, I really want to ensure my family is okay, that this is a stepping stone potentially, or a final destination, meaning like this might not be a stepping stone, this might be your forever home, especially if you are debt free. You don't have a mortgage because you purchased this home for $79,000 and your mortgage payments are under $1,000 in my example. This is all subjective. It depends on, down payment and all that good stuff, and credit score and a whole lot of other factors, interest, all that. But this is a good financial move, my opinion. This looks good. And so hold on now. I didn't expect it. I do see the newer porch. That's pretty cool, but I didn't expect, this is nice. Okay, cool. But this is exactly what I'm talking about. Debt freedom. You get your freedom back, right? Because you are essentially, this is actually really nice. You are essentially debt free, right? You are putting your finances first, and you're really trying to ensure that, one less thing off of your plate, which is shelter, which is the largest portion of our budget, right? About 30% or so. If that is off your plate because it's paid off, or it's a low amount that you're paying monthly, and you get land included, this is 0.3 acres. That's a little over a quarter acre of land. I mean, this is an option, right? This is an option. This will be to your determination whether it's your option, but I did want to bring you this information because there are various options out here. Look at this. There are various options out here that allow you to have ownership, okay? This is 0.96 acres, $59,000, land and home. Now, okay, wind zone 1. I don't know if financing is included. So some of these do have land included, by the way, but they don't offer financing. So if you need financing, then you click that financing button. If you don't, you say, I have the cash. I got $50K, $50,000. What can I do with this? Then this may be an option, right? To just purchase this property outright. And that puts you in a even better position to, have a solid foundation for financial freedom. All right. So that's the end of my video. I truly just wanted to bring you this information, show you how I filtered out certain properties so that you will know, how to go in and do certain things on your own. Right. But make sure you do your due diligence on the website that I'm providing to you, and also do your due diligence on the actual property that you may be interested in. All right. If you made this far in the video, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate it. Down in the comments, go ahead and put gems. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video, and I truly do appreciate it. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.